Welcome to Gary Auto Care team wire. Today's topic is one of the best. Right now I have Nissan X-Trail. Let me put ignition on. When you look in the dashboard, we have a lot of dashboard lights. We have ABS, we have check engine, we have four-wheel drive light. Let me start the vehicle. So when you start the vehicle, we have ABS retains, check engine it retains, four-wheel drive it retains. So today I'm going to show you how to solve these three lights: one, ABS, check engine, and four-wheel drive. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, I'm going to use the ThinkSafe gadget. Look at this gadget, ThinkSafe. Let me plug in. So it's flashing green, meaning it's connected. So I want to scan using my phone. Nissan. Then let me choose X-Trail. X-Trail 30 and health report. So engine has one fault. Then anti-lock brake system has one fault. Then SCRS has one fault. So those are three main faults that I'm going to deal with. So we are remaining with transmission. If you are interested in this gadget, just inbox me. Let me know in the comment section. This gadget is around $150 US. It's a good gadget, by the way. So the transmission, which is TCM, no fault code. So here we have the main culprit fault code, and the first one is anti-lock brake system. Let me show you the code C1107. This is the main culprit. Then we have SRS is caused by B1082, which is pretensioner front right. That passed, meaning that one we are going to clear. Then we have C1203, which is ABS system under four-wheel drive. Then we have C100 under four-wheel drive. So the main culprit here is C1107 according to this data. I'm going straight to the ABS system, then click on the read code, which is C1107, then search through Google. So according to Google, it indicates that there is a fault on the right front wheel speed sensor. So I'm going to show you how to fix it, but before that we are going to the common causes. The common causes are like damaged or fault sensor. The sensor itself may be faulty, or if the sensor has been replaced recently, it's a good idea to check if the new one is faulty, or if a low quality of aftermarket part was used, they often don't work correctly. Then we have wiring harness issues. The wiring harness issues like open circuit, dirty electrical connectors, or damaged or dirty turn ring. Those are main culprit or problem with ABS module. So before we do that, I'm going to remove the wheel so that we inspect everything the way has been listed here, so that to make sure we find the main culprit. That's how we deal with ABS problems. So let me go back to the right front wheel. It's at night, but I'm going to make sure I finish the work that I have started. So the tire is out. I have found out that ABS is not where it's supposed to be. Look, it's on the drive shaft, and looking very keenly, there is a broken wire. Let me show you. So this is the main culprit, this is the main problem. Let me show you. See, there is an open circuit, so I'm going to fix that first. So this is the right time to clear fault code. Yes, clear code. Yes, let me search the code. No DTC detected, meaning all codes have been cleared. So let me start the vehicle. Let me put ignition on. So everything is working perfect. No ABS, no check engine, no four-wheel drive. Everything is working the way it's supposed to be. Let me put ignition off, then on. See. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.